Don't discard your pineapple pulp as it can be transformed into a delicious filling for pineapple tarts. After juicing the pineapple with the JJ Slow Juicer, add a bit of pineapple juice to the pulp to rehydrate it, as the pulp from JJ Slow Juicer is very dry. Cook on medium to low heat. Add 1 cinnamon stick. Add half cup of brown sugar. 2 tablespoons caster sugar. A pinch of salt. Adjust the sweetness to your taste. Minutes later, add 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. Cook for 1 minute until the pineapple paste turns golden in color. Remove the cinnamon stick. Let cool and store in the fridge. Pineapple tarts filling is ready. Don't discard your pineapple pulp as it can be transformed into a delicious filling for pineapple tarts.